repairs, and this bulkhead repair panel is such an easy way to really do a proper job, a solid job, and really clean up that area. So obviously you're going to be wanting to remove all the old material, all the old metal that's rusted. You want to be getting it back to bare metal so it's nice and clean. I would then use either clamps or some tiger seal to put this into position onto the bulkhead, covering everything up. And once it's set in place, you can then start tacking it in place with your welder. You'll find that there's plenty of places to get it on there solid, and because of the design of this, where it butts up against the hinge point on the vent flaps, it's almost an invisible repair. Now, even on the original Defender, you can see where the skin wraps around, so it's not going to look out of place once you fitted this, even if you can see some of the edges. Just a couple of things to remember. Obviously, you need to protect the inside of it so it doesn't rot from the inside out, so get some etch primer on there and make sure that's all coated, and on the outside once it's in position, and then just make sure you put some seam sealer or some tiger seal, just a very thin bead going all the way around so that you're not getting any water ingress behind the panel itself. But a really great investment. It's a much easier job with one of these in place, rather than trying to sort of make the shape out of fiberglass, because it's not going to be strong enough. It's going to come through eventually, and one of these is just plopped straight over the top. It is designed to go over the existing bulkhead, so you don't have to chop away everything just to make sure that this lines up perfectly. You can just place it on the top. So that's my first recommendation for a nice easy repair.